In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Jobber to QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll have your Jobber account connected to QuickBooks Online, so your financial data can flow more smoothly. Make sure you're signed into Jobber with the right permissions and that you have access to the QuickBooks Online company you want to connect. Using a modern browser and allowing pop-ups will help avoid interruptions during the process. Start in Jobber. From your dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation and open the Apps section. This is Jobber's marketplace, where you can find and manage integrations that extend what Jobber can do. If you don't see apps right away, expand the sidebar. Opening this area first ensures you're in the exact place where the QuickBooks connection lives, and it keeps everything organized in one central spot you can come back to later. Inside Apps, use the search bar and type QuickBooks. You're looking specifically for QuickBooks Online. Jobber supports that cloud version, and it's listed clearly in the marketplace results. Typing the full name helps filter out anything similar and brings the official integration to the top. If you use multiple regions or have a long list of apps, the search will save time and reduce the chance of clicking the wrong item. Select the QuickBooks Online option from the results. This opens the integration page, where you can review what the connection does and what information will be shared. It's a good moment to confirm you're connecting the correct tools and to scan any notes about compatibility or data flow. Taking a brief look here helps you avoid surprises later and understand the value the sync provides. When you're ready, choose the option to add or connect QuickBooks. Jobber will guide you through on-screen prompts, and you may see an authorization window from Intuit. Confirm the company you want to connect if you have more than one, and follow the prompts to grant access so the two systems can talk to each other securely. Keep the window open until you see a confirmation. After completion, you'll return to Jobber and should see QuickBooks Online listed in your apps as connected. If you don't see the status right away, refresh the page. A few quick tips. If the Add button is unavailable, check that you're an admin in Jobber. If nothing loads during authorization, enable pop-ups or try a private browser window. That's it. Your Jobber account is now linked to QuickBooks Online.